Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create sales versus target chart in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In the first column, we are having zone, their sales, and their target. Now we want to create the sales versus target chart. Select the data, insert, recommended charts, all charts, activate the combo, click OK. The chart is ready. Now double click on this. Go in field. I'll collapse line so that you can see all the options. So we'll start with the first one, line. In this, you will have to activate no line. This is your first step. Now go in the markers. I'll collapse fill also and border also. We'll start with the marker options. In marker, activate built-in. In this, activate the dash. Increase the size of it. You can go in fill and you can change the color if you want from here. Any color. So this is how you can create sales versus target chart in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram, link given in the description box.